I was from Wakaba. And your first time watching me, your friend HY, and you know exactly how we do it. But me way my first month of monetization. The channel way, more money, my channel way, monetize year, 1 month in video we measure how much revenue on YouTube edit a year within this month. And I feel so no. Measure 1 or 2 things be also about YouTube monetization. Video when your video a memo watching and a lasawa, no matter sikana episode and how much YouTube chairman there be. Made bet you see any work how I know still. Meaning say no one of the major reasons I'll click our video reason. And I feel so no. I never call so when he say I did not expect to get this amount of money. I'm shocked with the amount of money YouTube edit in 1 month. I'm shocked. Cause considering the fact, and I said considering the fact that many views keseno, and I feel so no share my subscribers and musa 1K na me work. Into considering all these factors, no, I'm amazed and I'm shocked. Say YouTube ATM size within a month. So let me switch on to YouTube Studio. YouTube Studio. How many YouTube Studio? No, YouTube Studio a platform. The manage YouTube account. They share the back end of the YouTube account. And see it. All right. See BC here. In order for me to see my revenue, no, I'll say me call analytics. I'm call analytics on. All right. Some when in Ghana one network na some style be entering okay. They say analytics na be. Now we share my views a year within the whole year 28 days a 71.5k views. Me watch hours so na da say no. And I feel so no. Na me about revenue no so. Now this is the amount of revenue YouTube reach America a year. $122. I say, $122. This amount of money is crazy. And some of say I calculating my convert Ghana cedis ni money I don't know. First of all, so Timo say this amount is made within the last 28 days, which means 30 days and by far, this is crazy and mind busting. Serious. Because this is coming from me. This person, I was doing national service and I was taking 599 per every month too. 599 and amage. Now, what figures we are? Sorry, mama me convert it to saying 1222. A friend is saying US Ghana cedis na me. Okay. $122 to Ghana cedis and then that's it. I'm converting a motion. 1,400, 1,440. I also come because actually. This is totally amazing because I never believe say Kamenya this print kakra krampo. What am I saying? So this is the amount in conversion. Ti me convert ya say na menya. Enema me nsape ana meka afa YouTube revenue we and I say YouTube monetization no. Na machiche me nsa. Di kan views no. The toso me no revenue. Ana the toso me nsa so subscribers. The man who platform when you say any views to do an mesca. Some of my contents be on man, the views near Katua, but revenue ne woman, a dozen. And some revenue ne woman, a dozen. You are the friend of CPM, ECPM, the amount of advertisers, they are willing to pay on your video, which means video A be one advertiser be one so to 1 CD per 1K view. And a video B so one a video B advertise an episode to if I say 40 CDs per 1K view. And the ECPM. Now more be RPM anyway, and it differs among your videos. I don't want to talk much about that because we need enough knowledge about that. So I'll do more research, then I'll come and compare with I'll come and tell you more about the RPM anyway, because most of them it sounds gibberish to me right now, because to be frank, it's a whole new analytics for me and tabs are me share the new anti me try the book. Now about the revenue so every single day I will sika wunya and yet just one video they provide with sika no. If I say video A na ebe ma 20 pesos a year and na video B so am be 1 pesos na video C so am kakra na o videos a we go ho dada ina before say we hit monetization and before so when you 5,000 and I say 4,000 watch hours and sorry before so nya 4,000 watch hours no sa 4,000 watch hours no de eno no sika no de ehyiagu ana say eno no sika no mba na mum after that no Tivan says wo video A and why video A this video A and ema wonya 4,000 watch hours and bia video A no the views no bia 2k and say 20k views and ema wonya 4,000 viewer 4,000 watch hours na sa views no watch hours ni de wanya nyina no sa eno no hye and an say no sika no it won't be calculated if I'm on name if you hono kon ana ebeka ho we bring me to the point say it will be really good say ube hit monetization eligibility you know and sana when your video be anaso video be a go viral. I think say no ye dan say o video ba ko bia na me be go viral na no mum amaya monetize o na later no o videos enko viral no I think say emma revenue no so enkoso. And one thing about that is say every day bia no those videos ni na and revenue about 1111 na be cabo. It is all share a chat we are on this very day this in a $3.0 and the second day so 2.5 2.9 it was every single day any day. I think so my lowest gain was I think so my lowest $3 a day. Yeah, I think my lowest gain and as a revenue I mean $3 one day, which is that was on the 28th September. So my lowest earn in a day $2.92. Hey, $2.92. Yeah, $2.92. $2.92 whatever. Anyway, so wait, this is how the revenue is. Say handy. So $2 we have I think on 2nd of October. All the videos and the views have been within that 2nd October no mumsika. So it did not come from one video, and I say 2 videos. And open the details of the videos in this right. No so what see. And the last time I can want some subscribers. Subscribers count so here. Cause I could say me channel we am we can make views and I say be me subscribers does one. I say me post 2 video, which me say be me fancy me 10k subscribers. So me post 2 video now 10% and I say 1% of that me 10k subscribers no every video no within a day and I say within 2 days and 3 days and I say 1 week krana ebema misika kese you get my point. But say no me subscribers so me push video and I say me publish video me subscribers no muso nti no emu 1% share subscribers 1k no 1% be must be 100 and I say 10 na nipa 10 share it won't be enough to generate me this kind of money. Nemum no say me subscriber count to the doors one. Yes, which means say me post 2 video kutu bi kura na ana kesi wo de me post bia no nipa bebe behwe e no beboa ama sika na konanim. And this is one of the reasons why we are always telling you to subscribe to the channel, because the more you subscribe to the channel, you push the channel outside too for more people to discover and so come. And about the subscribers, one thing I can also say about the subscribers is the location of the subscribers. And it's not just about the location of the subscribers. Viewers, no more share. I don't know. It's about the location, because them say Africa and India say commercial videos from there. Them say where you need swakakra. Queen some of the my Africans no, and I say Ghana for no swakakra. It be my publishing video be. Now I say location Ghana and Kwana me post to sa video. Maybe say be a video ya oshi. I post to name my Ghana and Kwana. Location no advertisers some more Ghana say no. Most of the times na or musical when they to ad no so no unlike say be a post video now say people are viewing from maybe a United States, Canada, and I say be a UK and I be a Australia. Sabo honom. Sa side honom musical no was wrong. Yes. Omo ECPM no was wrong. And say me post to sa video, me post to video be na say obi from Canada ehwa. Me nyeska kese na say generate more revenue than say obi ewo China and as Africa ebehwe. Although say obi o China and Africa omo unyeska, but sika no ye kotwa as compared to tie omo wo amani bit say be America and say US and say Canada bi ebehwe no sanity. The last thing I made the big trust on say, so you will be a person making money online. Now, we can consider a year creating content. This should be the time you should consider creating content online. Because I've already said it in some of my videos. Say how to make money online and kasana the way to make living good money online. I'll bet me do when you have to skakra. And they say you have something, a skill, you have something that people are ready to trade for. So be better and also be better. And the best way to make money online. And also create content. Sell it to YouTube, how sell it to other platforms. So YouTube has a kasano. It's the best way to get money online. And Ibia Obi catch or say with my way and okay a bit tuyaka. Most of the time na in peswa kakra bia obinyam and found say you waste more time which made this of VBH and I say game BH be 2 weeks 3 weeks and I say 1 month put not $10 crowd unyanya. And this is coming from me. You can see the numbers here. I'm not lying. And some numbers way is crazy because you know for me bri am hwe me munim say Ghana highway system no nye easy. Enye easy. Na obi a national service square man 599. We so. So any your first time I watch me, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And like a video with mommy. This is HY and you know exactly how to do it. Thank you for watching this and see you in the next one.